Hi guys, hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new here, my name is Ifyok and I'm the owner and founder of Dkollection. So I'm just going to be taking you through behind the scenes of how we get our new collection ready. So the prepping that happens before we do our photo shoots, what happens during the course of our photo shoots, and the collection is currently live on our website. So this is our Christmas stroke holiday collection. It's available on madcollection.com. I'm also going to leave that in the description box down below, so you can do well to check us out. So I'm just going to take you through what we've done. I've got 6 models I'm working with. I've actually not done a shoot with up to 6 models before. The maximum I've used in the past is usually like 5 models. So it's going to be quite interesting to see how this goes. So hopefully you enjoy the content of this video. If you do, remember to, you know what to do, thumbs up, like, subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel, and turn on the bell notification so when I post any upcoming videos you get notified. And yeah, enjoy the rest of the video and I'll see you in the next one.
From TikTok House.
Trying to sort out all the sweatshirts we're going to be using for our shoots today. I've done some of the skirts to how I want it to be. So I have got 6 models. I'm sure I'd have said that at some point in this video already. So I've got 6 models I'm going to be working with. So I have some of the sweatshirts already sorted, but there's just a few more I need to sort out. So I've got 2 more after this, so I'm just going to like get right into it as quickly as possible because I've got very limited time. So it's currently just after 6 a.m. so it's really early. This is something for most fashion shows. It's always like good vibes.
Oh, I know. I absolutely love them, mate.
Hi guys, so we're currently in our photo shoot location and I'm just going to turn the camera around so you can see what is happening, the magic we're trying to create. Right, so this is the entrance and this is our lovely studio that we're using for today, and we've got this lovely pretty faces. We've got Dom, we've got Jessica, and we've got the baddest of the baddest, B-Face. And are we dressed today, Steph? Can I come in with my video? Is Steph dressed? Okay, no, okay.
Yes. Very good. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.